Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. So at first just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. From here scroll down a bit and then go to sounds and vibration. From here go to ringtone and that's it. Now here you can find two options, SIM 1 and SIM 2. From here you can change ringtone for SIM 1. Also if you tap here, then you can change ringtone for SIM card 2. Suppose if I select SIM 2, and you can choose any ringtone as you like. Suppose if you want to set this ringtone, just select it and it's changed successfully. Now if you want to set any music or song as your ringtone, just tap on this plus icon. After that choose any ringtone or music. If I select it, then just tap on done and you can see it's set successfully. You can also find a slider here, and from here you can increase or decrease your phone ringtone, and it's done. And that is how you can change ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.